Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Today we're going to take a look at how you might be able to turn your boat around in a narrow channel with the wind blowing across the waterway. Here we're proceeding down this narrow channel and we find that we need to turn around and exit the channel. We have the wind blowing across the west bank as shown. Our boat has a right-hand propeller, which means that in a head propulsion, the propeller rotates to the right. In a stern propulsion, the propeller rotates to the left. Let's see how we can take advantage of this prop walk to make this maneuver safer and easier. At position 1, we begin the turn toward the windward bank. At position 2 and 3, we turn the boat up into the wind and stop as close to the windward bank as safety allows. Then we shift into reverse propulsion. Now with the propeller rotating to the left, you can see the natural tendency of the boat's stern to walk to port. As our boat backs to port, the wind blows the bow down to starboard. Prop walk and the wind have helped us tighten this turn as shown in positions 4 and 5. In position 5, we shift into forward ahead propulsion and exit the channel. Remember to practice maneuvers like these in open water and communicate your intentions with your crew. Always have an anchor ready to go and base your decisions on your boat's abilities and the wind and current conditions. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.